Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here in Riceland again, the only master plan community on the east side of Houston, here in Mont Belvieu, Texas. And I'm standing in front of the gorgeous Chesmar Homes model, one of Riceland's 4 amazing builders. If you're new here, my name is Gaynell Blackshear, and I've been in real estate for over 20 years, selling homes to wonderful families just like yours. I wanted to do a quick tour with you today and show you what Chesmar Homes has going on right now because their incentives are really strong. They're currently offering a 4.99% interest rate on a 30-year loan for FHA or a 5.25% interest rate with 10% down on a conventional loan. And as your agent, we can potentially negotiate for additional closing costs as well. Be sure to stay till the end of the video because I want to show you some amazing amenities that Riceland has to offer. But for now, come with me and I'll take you through a couple of their floor plans that are ready for move-in right now, and they have amazing incentives. you so much for taking a tour with me. If you live in Mont Belvieu and are wanting to upgrade from your current home, or you're maybe relocating into the area, I'd love to have a conversation with you and find out exactly what your needs are so I can help you find the perfect home. And once Riceland is completed, you'll have shopping, fitness, playgrounds, and fishing right at your fingertips in the walking distance of your very own home. That's all for now. Call me and let's figure out your home plan together. I look forward to hearing from you. See you later.